whom I still remember from the day one when she started interacting before the students actually got placed in the hospital for the practical courses. She has been so meticulous in planning, so meticulously following it up in terms of the comfort that the hospital can give to the students, the lab space that was required in the hospital, and I still remember she calling every day almost, trying to see that we coordinate well, get the facilities well so that the students who are actually coming out of the college will actually have the best of the exposures. I hope Apollo has given all the support, and going forward I think we should definitely will be working much stronger in developing different spheres. Uh, Apollo Hospitals in the year 2006 uh, took the initiative, a quality initiative, to get ourselves accredited under Joint Commission International. This is a body under the US which has stringent norms which the hospitals have to follow, and they focus on two important things. One is on patient safety, second is the employee safety. In 2006 when we started, we never had a great support because one of the important areas that the JCI audits is on the pharmacy front, that is your drug administration and the coordination that the pharmacist has with the patients and the doctors. We really struggled a lot to get the B pharmacy students or take them onto the system and then train them and then get this particular thing. As we go ahead and when we started getting associated with the PharmD students, they have been part of the entire journey that we went through, and what we today see in terms of the medication errors, which I was actually discussing with our pharmacologist Dr. Sanjeev Sharma, uh, across the world, because of the errors in drug administration, it's almost the fatality that happens in terms of the risk factor. Almost 10% of the patients suffered because of the wrong drug administration. With this particular PharmD getting in, taking over the responsibility of really bridging the gap between a physician and the patient and the other important element in a hospital, which is a nurse. The pharmacist would really be getting in terms of auditing each of the prescription written by a physician to understand whether not just in terms of the drugs that have been prescribed, but in terms of the dosage, in terms of the right medicine for the right type of a disease. This bridge, this particular gap which has actually gone in, will I'm sure will be bridged with the students who are joining the healthcare industry, mainly the hospitals. Going forward, as Dr. Aparna was telling, I think we would be having more of the students getting associated with the hospitals. A field which is just evolving in terms of the prescription audit would become much stronger as the days go by, and I'm sure we would have really good results coming out. So I will not take more time. I would thank each of the student for being wonderful with the hospital, because we have different sets of students coming in, and the students who have come from the Venkateshwara College have been really fabulous. They've been very sweet. They've been so cooperative. They've been so understanding, and I think it's all, the entire thing goes to the principal, the institution, for all the efforts they have put in. One is the education part of it, second is the discipline that they inculcate, and definitely it's an opportunity for me to thank and be really happy that we have got associated with a very good institution. Going forward, it would definitely produce the best of the students which would get into the healthcare community.